Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, from time to time we do product reviews. This is going to be on a product review. This is the iRobot i355920. We purchased this directly from iRobot. It's a refurbished Roomba vacuum cleaner. It says color may vary, contain minor cosmetic blemishes. We'll take a look at it and see what the condition is. We bought it directly from the factory. I'll just remind you today that I purchased this at Valentine's Day and I still didn't get to the review or unboxing, so that's what we're going to do right now. And so you don't have to see me do this, I will edit it so you don't see all this unboxing. Alright, so I shortened that up for you a little bit. It is wrapped. So it's got the manuals and the warranty right here. The other part, this is the one that's got the vacuum compartment on it where it'll come back and dump itself. And there you are, it's in like the flat black with the charging station right on here. Here's the cord right here that plugs in. I mean, this looks like it's all factory new. There isn't a blemish on it. I don't know a thing about it. All I know is this particular model got some high reviews and the parts for it are readily available. If something goes wrong with it, to fix it. Let me take it out of here. It's got some heft to it. I believe this one was like roughly under $400 shipped to your house. There are higher, more expensive models. This one doesn't have the LiDAR in it, which is like the radar. This is the bump and run. But they say they're more reliable. I don't know if that's true or not. Safety information and the limited warranty, tips for connecting your Wi-Fi. It is Wi-Fi enabled. There's this spinning brushes there, one for the corner, and these have a new brush technology that's supposed to be easier to pick up hair and different things like that. And then it has the automatic dirt disposal where it goes back in and it connects to itself. So let me go ahead and charge it all up and we'll come back from there. Okay, so there is basically no instructions on this thing whatsoever. It just says, thank you for purchasing the iRobot. Tips for connecting Wi-Fi enabled robots. Download and install the iRobot Home app, Apple's App Store or the Google Play Store. You know your home Wi-Fi network's name and password. Most robots connect to the 2.4 gigahertz network. So you got to make sure your Wi-Fi is set up for 2.4. If you have it set up for 5 gigahertz, it won't connect, so you want to make sure you have 2.4 enabled. Scan the QR code to download the owner's guide for your robot or visit home support http://homesupportirobot.com. So we'll do that and we'll check it out. I just plugged it in the closet. That's where my wife wants it. Go back and dump its dirt. So I'll go back and I'll show you where that's at. All right, so it's got these little charging ports on the back of here, little pads on the back of the robot, and then over here it's got little ports that depress, I guess, when it goes in. So you put it on there, the green circle lights up and I guess it's in charge mode. Then it's got a home button here, it looks like, and this must be a power button. Apparently it's not happy. There it goes. Now I guess it lined itself up and it's charging. Alright, so hopefully you can see that. It says your robot is successfully connected. Real simple process. You just got to go to iRobot.com, follow the instructions, fill out an account. Doesn't cost you anything. You go ahead and put your password in there, store your password. It sends a verification code to your email address that you're going to attach to it. You put the verification code in on the app. You download the app. Pretty self-explanatory. So now let's see here. Your robot is successfully connected. You're going to have to link it up with the app, which we already did, and then name your product. So we'll figure a name here. Alright, so we're going to be funny here. We're going to call it Alice because we're all connected with all kinds of Alexa devices and all that kind of stuff around here. And this is going to be Alice. Alice the maid. Setup is complete. Loading your experience. This could take a few minutes. Welcome to World Alice. Alice is a Roomba I series robot vacuum with automatic dirt disposal. Alice cleans in systematic rows across the center of the rooms and then the edges. Make sure the charging station is in good location. It is. It's in the closet in the corner here. Alice will avoid and redirect away from stairs, but is able to navigate over thresholds. While you wait, prep your home for Alice. Pick up cables, cords, toys so Alice won't get tangled or stuck. Open doors so Alice can explore. Alice can clean your home without lights on. Ready to vacuum. Tap here to start. Time limit, none. Start now. And there she goes. I imagine it's going to map the room out. There goes the brush. And I'll just show you a little bit. Like I said, it's bump and run, it touches, and it'll map the whole room out. So I'll let it do its thing. It's probably going to take a while. We've got about a 2,500 square foot home, ranch, all one floor. It's going across some thick carpet there. She went right across it. Look at that big carpet out there, that big shag carpet. She went right across it, no trouble. Okay, so if I come across some things that I think we need to add to the video, I will. Didn't really show this that much. This is the cleaning chamber here. It opens up like that, and this is where the bag sits. It's got these disposable bags. It's got a little slide lock right here with some guides, and you just put that bag in there like that, real easy. Just slide it right to the guide and down. Set the lid down, and that's it. So when the vacuum comes in here, it'll dump itself into that bag. Okay, we moved the location so it's behind a chair, so it's not as obvious. See if it's going to line itself up and then go back in there and dump the trash out. These things are amazing. It sits there and it figures out by mapping out whether it can get through or not. So there it goes. And there's where we put the vacuum assembly back there to dump the dirt. So far this thing's been pretty amazing. My wife and I have actually been pretty impressed. We're electronic geeks and this thing has just been nuts. And now it's either ready to come back out after it's dumped out its trash, or it'll sit there and recharge. Well, hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Please subscribe. That subscribe button's been running down there in the right-hand corner the whole time. Also, hit the bell icon on YouTube, and they'll notify you immediately of any upcoming videos we have. Please like and share this. Give us a thumbs up. If you give us a thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that you do like our videos, and they'll rank them higher in their ratings. Take care, everybody.